Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today I will explain how to run neural network predictor in KNIME. Neural networks use a wide variety of algorithms for training and making predictions, including propagation, gradient descent, and stochastic gradient descent. These algorithms involve adjusting the weights and biases of the neurons in the network based on the error between the predicted output and the actual output for a given input. During the training process, the neural network algorithm iteratively adjusts the weights and biases of the neurons to minimize the error between the predicted output and the actual output. This is done by propagating the error backwards through the network, updating the weights and biases of each neuron based on its contribution to the error. Now let's see how we can do this in KNIME. For this, we will go in the KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate the input-output node from here. I'll activate the CSV reader node as my dataset is in CSV format. I'll double click on it. Browse the dataset. I request all my viewers to kindly refer all my previous videos of KNIME to understand the flow of this lecture series. Part 1 dataset is selected, right click on it and execute. Again right click on it and you can see the file table. Now we will have to filter this dataset. Therefore, I will activate the column filter from here. Right click on it, configure. I take all the variables on the left hand side, only include those variables here from which the model is to be created. Age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again right click on it and see the filter table. You can see here all the variables are on different scales, and therefore it is necessary to normalize it. And therefore, I'll activate the normalizer. For more explanation on the normalizer, kindly refer my previous video. Configure. 3 types of normalizations are there. We are going to use the first type of normalization. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now, after normalizing, we require the neural network learner. So, it is known as RPROP learner. I'll activate it. Right click on it, configure. Make sure that the heart disease is on. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I'll have to activate the predictor, which is known as multi-layer perceptron predictor. It will get its learning from RPROP ML learner and it will get its data set from here. Configure. Change prediction column name. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the classified data. You can see here. The classification has been indicated by the bars, no, and so this is the way you can run neural network predictor in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.